Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to my channel Chemistry Wala Alam. This is Hussein Alam, right? Generally, in our chemistry, we are using the symbols for representing elements and formulas we are using for the compounds, right? Symbol can be defined as shorthand notation of the element. So, the symbols first introduced by Berzelius. According to Berzelius, first letter in its English name can be taken as it's a symbol, and if first letter is the same, then will be goes to second letter or any prominent letter or more stress on the letter will be considered. So suppose if you say that hydrogen symbol is H, helium symbol is He. Then if anybody asks the sodium symbol, then we can be say that not S, Na. And potassium symbol is K. Then how we are saying that? So according to Berzelius, first letter can be taken as it's a symbol. Then here sodium is getting the first letter is S and N is not present, and here potassium also K is not present, but how we are saying that symbol? So here some of the elements in the periodic table, around 11 elements are present. Those are having the Latin names. So today I am going to explain the common name, Latin name of the elements. So first one and common name of the element. It's a Latin name and it's a symbol. Latin name and it's a symbol. So first one is, it can be considered Latin name of the sodium is natrium. Sodium Latin name is natrium, symbol is Na. Latin name of the sodium is natrium and its symbol is Na. Next one, second letter will be considered, that is potassium. So its Latin name is kalium. So symbol is K. And third one is iron. Latin name is ferrum. Its Latin Latin name is ferrum, symbol is Fe. First letter is capital and the second letter will be small. And third one will be fourth one, copper. Latin name is cuprum. So its symbol is Cu. Okay. Next one is silver, argentum. Silver Latin name is argentum, symbol is Ag. Okay. Next one is tin. Latin name is sternum. Its symbol is Sn. Next one, seventh one is antimony. Latin name is tibium. Sb. Okay na. Next that means tungsten. Latin name is wolfram. It's not the Latin name, it is the German name. So symbol is W. Next one is gold. So Latin name is aurum, symbol is Au. Okay. Next mercury. Its Latin name is hydroxyrum, Hg. And 11th one is lead. It is a plumbum, Pb. So these are the mainly elements are having the Latin names. So first one is sodium, its Latin name is natrium, so its symbol is Na. Next one is potassium, that is the kalium. Next one is iron, ferrum, Fe, copper, cuprum, Cu, silver, argentum, Ag, tin, sternum, Sn, antimony, stibium, Sb, tungsten, Latin name is wolfram. Sorry, not Latin name, it's a German name. Okay, W. And gold, aurum, Au. And mercury, Latin name is hydroxyrum, Hg. 11th one is lead, plumbum, Pb. If you see that the atomic numbers of these elements, sodium is 11, potassium is 19, iron is 26, copper is 29, silver is 47, tin is 50, antimony is 51, wolfram is 74, gold is 79, mercury is 80, and lead is 82. Latin names, symbols and their atomic numbers. Okay, so here some information regarding some elements. So plumbum, the element which is used in the water supply pipes in the ancient times. So plumbum, so that a word that means from the Latin names from the like plumber, plumbing, that's what the element which is used in the water supply pipes, that is called plumbum. Okay na, in ancient times this element is used in the water pipes. Okay na. Next hydroxyrum, so it is derived from the hydroxyrus. Hydro is nothing but water, Axyrus is nothing but silver. Water, silver. That means the mercury is the liquid metal. Okay, generally metals are solids, but only one exception, that is the mercury is the liquid metal, and it is a like a shiny silver. So that's why this is called hydroxyrum. Hydro, water, Axyrus. Okay, now that is called argentum. That means hydroxyrum. Okay, now next here tungsten is a wolfram. Okay, now its German name is wolfram, generally wolframite. It is an ore. The ore which is containing the tungsten is very high percentage, that's what the name given to it as wolfram. Okay now, right, so this is regarding some information regarding common names, Latin names, their symbols and atomic numbers. Okay, thank you. Hope if you feel this is a somewhat information to you. Okay now, please like and subscribe. Thank you.